Hi everyone. So I thought that with it being the Olympics and all, that this would be a really great time to do like a Japan week or to do more Japanese recipes these 2 weeks. So the first recipe that I wanted to start off with is this. Not sure if you guys have seen this before. This is called Chirashi Sushi, and Chirashi actually means just scattered, and it is a very homey type of like sushi where you don't have to, roll anything, you don't have to put the filling inside. It's essentially, you make your base rice and then you scatter the ingredients on top all over. Traditionally, it's eaten during certain festivals, but I think families tend to just make it a lot because it's kind of like one general kind of serving. People can take it as they like, and it's just like a very casual type dish with all of these goodies on top, and it looks really pretty as well. Today I have some very nice vegetables, but also some very savory ingredients for you all as well, because obviously with it being Japan, typically the chirashi sushi, any type of sushi, is going to have all different types of fish or like seafood, like shrimp in it as well. But I think I've done my best to give you guys a fair array of vegetables and like little things mixed in there that you're not going to be missing really anything. So I hope you guys all enjoy this recipe. So we're going to start off by soaking some sushi rice in water for about 30 minutes. And this sushi rice, it's the short grain kind. And the reason that we soak it is just that it helps the rice plump up and then have the right amount of moisture when you cook it. So the texture is actually better once you cook it. So the second thing that we're going to do is soak our hangiri. Whoever was admiring that clay pot, I have a full video out on that, so I'll link that up above. And now I'm just gonna prepare really whatever vegetables that you want to put on top. So I have some carrots that I'm gonna try and make pretty. The things that you saw with the holes in the middle, those are actually slices of lotus fruit, and it's traditionally used in Chirashi sushi. So this is just some fried tofu pouches, and I just boiled them to just get rid of some of the slick and the grease that's on it. And this reminds me very much of like normally what they'll do is they'll scramble up some eggs, and so I think that this might be a good way to mimic that and then also add some texture. Aborage is normally used as well. So this is our seasoning for the vegetables. Sugar, sake, soy sauce, about 2 cups of water. And I'm trying to keep them each individually so that later on, this might not work, but when I want to arrange things, they'll still be in their place. So we're just going to cook this for a couple of minutes over the stove. So now that we've dealt with the toppings for the rice, this is going to be the seasoning for the rice so that it tastes kind of sweet and salty and sour, just like sushi rice. So I had some rice vinegar there, some salt and some sugar. Recipe again is going to be down below. So with the rice seasoning, I just add a couple tablespoons, but it's as much or as little as you like. You just want to taste as you go. And what this wooden bowl is actually supposed to do is absorb any excess moisture from the rice. So I actually leave it here just for a couple of minutes, and then I go on to decorating. So there was actually too much filling to, I think, make this attractive. I think I already kind of over topped it. But if I were to eat it, I think I would just mix it throughout instead of, filming it for you guys. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that Chirashi Sushi recipe, and stay tuned for more Japanese recipes throughout the Olympics. All right, I'll see you guys all again next time. Bye.